Hello and welcome to another Field-Proof tutorial. Today we'll be briefly going over standard templates and how they're used from within the Field-Proof software. So the first thing to know about standard templates is that they're accessible whenever you're going to add a new inspection. I'll go ahead and do that. And in here I've already pre-rendered a facility and some contacts to use from within this inspection. So I'm just going to label this test inspection, and I'm going to select a facility. Created a test facility there. We're just going to go through all of the standard things that you would usually do whenever you're creating an inspection. If you haven't seen this yet, or if you haven't done this yet, please make sure to go back and watch the video on how to create inspections. We're just going to say this inspection will take 3 hours, and we'll add our test user here, and we'll go ahead and save and proceed. So now this screen looks exactly the same. However, when you click on Import from Template now, you're going to notice that there are a series of templates that are going to now be available to you. Field-Proof is going to continue to add new standard templates as we create them. So initially, as an example, you can see that here's a new SP001 template that's available. I'm going to go ahead and add that. There'll probably be several more. We're working on loading these into the system right now, but we're so excited about this. We wanted to make sure that we showed you how to use these and that they are available to all of our users right now. And they'll continue to grow as we add more. So I'm going to go ahead and import that template, and it works exactly the same as any other template that you would add from within the system. The only difference being is that you didn't have to create this. Field-Proof went ahead and took care of it for you. I'm going to go ahead and import another one just to show you. So we have an underground tank section. You can go ahead and import that. And everything should work as expected. Now again, of course, as you're creating inspections, you may look at some of these templates and realize that perhaps there may be an item or a question that you don't need or that doesn't necessarily apply to you. Or all of these sections and codes right now are referring to the standard Michigan codes, and perhaps your codes are a little bit different in your state. You're welcome to change those. We will be updating and adding new templates for each state as we go along. We will categorize those based on the state. But if you don't need perhaps one of these questions, like for an example, maybe there isn't a spill bucket, we can click on remove, and we can go ahead and remove that question because it maybe doesn't apply to the inspection that we're doing. However, all of these are there for you to utilize as you see fit. Please make sure that you do take advantage of this. We think it's a super great, just another powerful feature that we're bringing to our customers each and every day. So that has been it for this video. If you have any questions, as always, please, if you're a current subscriber, make sure to file a ticket or submit our contact form on our website. Thank you so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.